Fellow travelers, welcome back to our channel. Today we're taking a deep dive into the tropical paradise that is Cancun, Mexico. Picture it, pristine beaches, energetic fiestas, and an unforgettable cultural legacy. But in every paradise, there are pitfalls. So here are the top 10 mistakes people often make when visiting Cancun and how to avoid them. Buckle up because we're about to embark on an exciting journey. Mistake number 1. Exchanging money at the airport. Imagine this. You've just landed, you're tired, and there's a convenient exchange kiosk right there. It's tempting, but remember, the rates there are, to put it kindly, a total rip-off. Save your hard-earned cash and wait until you hit the town. Your wallet will thank you. Mistake number 2. Ignoring the local culture. Picture yourself indulging in a party at a beachfront resort while a world of cultural riches awaits you outside. From the hauntingly beautiful Mayan ruins to the mouth-watering local cuisine, Cancun's culture is a treasure trove waiting to be explored. Don't miss out. Mistake number 3. Not applying enough sunscreen. Imagine lounging under Cancun's blazing sun. You're aiming for a bronze glow but ended up lobster red. Ouch! The Cancun sun is no joke, so slather on that high SPF sunscreen and reapply often. Don't let a nasty sunburn ruin your vacation vibes. Mistake number 4. Only staying at the resort. Picture this. You're in an all-inclusive resort. Everything's convenient and comfortable. But wait, isn't adventure part of the traveling? Step out of your comfort zone and immerse yourself in the real Cancun beyond those resort walls. Trust me, it's worth it. Mistake number 5. Drinking tap water. Here's a horror story for you. You drink tap water in Cancun and spend the rest of your vacation running to the restroom. In Mexico, tap water isn't usually safe to drink, so stick to bottled water, and that means brushing your teeth too. Mistake number 6. Disregarding beach flag warnings. You see a red flag on the beach, but the sea looks so inviting. Big mistakes. Those flags aren't just for decoration. They're there for your safety. Always respect the beach flag warnings because nothing ruins a vacation faster than a beach accident. Mistake number 7. Missing out street food. Picture yourself walking past a street food stall with mouth-watering aromas wafting around, but you choose to ignore it. Huge mistake. You're missing out on the heart and soul of Mexican cuisine. So embrace the street food scene and taste the authenticity. Mistake number 8. Forgetting about the eco parks. Imagine missing out on swimming in underground rivers, zip-lining through the jungle, or snorkeling in a natural aquarium. All because you didn't know about Cancun's eco park. Xcaret, Selja, Explore. They're fun to say and even more fun to visit. Mistake number 9. Not haggling in markets. Imagine paying the first price you're quoted at a market in Mexico. That's practically a sin. Haggling is part of the fun and you can end up with some great bargains. So polish up your negotiating skills and join the game. Mistake number 10. Neglecting travel insurance. You might think it's an unnecessary cost, but let's imagine something goes wrong. An injury, a theft. Without travel insurance, you're on your own. Be smart, be safe, get that insurance. Number 11. Booking excursions from your resort. Sure, it's convenient, but you're likely to pay a premium. Look for local tour operators in town. Not only you will get a better price, you're also supporting the local economy. Double win. Mistake number 12. Ignoring weather forecasts. Yes, Cancun is a tropical paradise, but that doesn't mean it's always sunny. Weather can change quickly and hurricane season is real. So always check the forecast and plan your activities accordingly. Mistake number 13. Using public Wi-Fi for sensitive information. You're sipping a margarita and decide to check your bank account in the cafe's public Wi-Fi. Big no-no, amigos. Public Wi-Fi networks aren't always secure, so save your banking for when you have a secure connection. Mistake number 14. Not respecting local customs and etiquette. Remember, you're a guest in their country. Brush up on local customs, dress appropriately, and always show respect. This will make your interactions more pleasant and enriching. Mistake number 15. Overpacking. Cancun is casual and warm. You really don't need 5 pairs of shoes in a wardrobe full of clothes. Stick to essentials and remember, if you forget something, you can always buy it there. Mistake number 16. Neglecting hydration. Between the sun, the fun, and the margaritas, it's easy to forget to drink water, but remember, staying hydrated is vital in Cancun's tropical climate. So keep a water bottle with you at all times. Mistake number 17. Trying to see everything. Cancun and its surrounding area are packed with attractions, but trying to see it all can leave you feeling rushed and exhausted. Instead, pick a few places you really want to see and take your time to enjoy them. Mistake number 18. Not checking visa requirements. Imagine getting to the airport and finding out you can't board your flight because you didn't check if you need a visa. Avoid the hassle and check the visa requirements before you go. Mistake number 19. Not learning basic Spanish phrases. English is widely spoken in Cancun, but learning a few basic Spanish phrases can go a long way. Not only is it a sign of respect, but it can also enhance your experience. Mistake number 20. Not taking enough cash. And finally, mistake number 20. Not taking enough cash. Many places in Cancun don't accept credit cards, and while there are ATMs, they often have high fees. So always keep enough cash with you for emergencies and everyday expenses. So there you have it, amigos. Our top 20 Cancun travel mistakes. Keep these tips in mind and you're on your way to a hassle-free vacation. If you found this video helpful, show us some love. Hit that like button, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. We've got a world of travel wisdom to share. Hasta la vista!